Welcome. This video covers the implementation of logistic regression, a fundamental algorithm of binary classification. We'll walk through the code step by step, explaining the key concepts and mathematical foundations. Let's get started. And the first we discuss, load the dataset. Import pandas is used to handle data in table form. Columns is the column names for the dataset, and loads the adult income dataset from a file named adult.data. Zip equals separates data using commas and optional spaces. NA values treats question mark as a missing value. And data.head shows the 5 rows of the data. Next, the data pre-processing. Print data that is null shows how many missing values are in each column. Data equals data.dropNA removes all rows that have missing values. And data equals pd.get_dummies turn text column into 0 and 1s. And drop_first equals true avoids repetition. And last, split the data into features and target. X is the input data and Y is the output we want to predict whether a person earns more than 50k or not. The third one is split the dataset from sklearn.model_selection import train_test_split. This function splits data into training and testing, the xtrain and xtest, the ytrain and ytest. The 70% of the data goes to training and 30% to testing, and a random state 42 makes a result repeatable. The fourth one, train the logistic regression model. From sklearn.linear_model, import logistic regression. It's import the logistic regression model. Create the model. Model equals logistic regression. max_iter allows the model more time to find the best fit. And model.fit xtrain ytrain trains the model using the training data. And the last one, evaluate the model. From sklearn matrix, import accuracy score. It's import to check how well the model performs. The ypred equals model predict. It predicts result using the test data. The evaluate model accuracy is how often the model is correct. Confusion matrix show true or false, positive and negative. And classification report includes precision, recall, and F1 score. And print accuracy, print confusion, print classification. It's also print the results. And that's it. We've successfully implemented logistic regression. I hope this video helped you understand the codes and its application. Thanks for watching.